Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And we've been getting better at keeping this at 5 minutes or a little bit, just a little bit over. Heading into a weekend, and it's probably, I think, going to turn out maybe a little bit better than what we thought earlier this week. It's kind of changed in terms of the overall profile, and I'll get into that in just a moment. But let me just review some of the temperatures that we're going to expect going forward. Today it's mostly upper 70s and low 80s. That seems to be the running theme lately, and we're close to or maybe even a little bit below average as we head into mid-month. Middle and upper 70s for Saturday. Now the issue for Saturday is how much cloud cover is around. I don't think we're going to see much of any shower activity. If there are some around, I think they'll be scattered in nature. So I feel pretty good about saying that the vast majority of you in eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England down into northern Virginia, particularly as you go south, probably won't see much of anything. And then Sunday, the map didn't fill in all the colors, but it's mostly highs in the 70s, the warm spots further south around 80. We do have a warm front, cold front scenario setting up for Sunday, some showers and thunderstorms, and even the risk of severe weather. Monday looks like a good day. We'll be in the 80s just about everywhere, low to mid 80s. And then as we move through next week, at least Tuesday and Wednesday, we're looking at upper 70s and lower 80s. Now, on the satellite view this morning, we've got clear skies pretty much everywhere from southern New England and coastal eastern New England down the East Coast. It's been actually a nice cool morning in many areas into the in the east. We have showers and thunderstorms that blew up overnight, moving out of Oklahoma and into the middle Mississippi Valley, and our radars there this morning are rather busy, and you can see it here. There's a area of showers and thunderstorms, a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings from earlier, a couple of flash flood warnings. That area is moving to the east. Otherwise, the radars in the eastern United States are nice and quiet. A little bit of action there right off the Gulf Coast. The Storm Prediction Center today shifting the area of risk east. We have an enhanced risk from southern Arkansas into central and southern Mississippi and northeastern Alabama. That comes with a 2% tornado risk. On Saturday, just a marginal risk up in the northern plains, east into Iowa and southern Minnesota. And on day 3, now this is where we come into play here, SPC indicating a marginal risk, the northern edge from about New York City to Scranton, and then turning back west and southwest and south through south central PA into northeastern Virginia and over into the Delmarva Peninsula. Also a marginal risk from portions of the Ohio Valley west through the middle Mississippi Valley, and a slight risk in the western plains. So that severe weather after today's enhanced risk kind of calms down a bit. I'm looking at the possibility that that marginal risk in the east could get extended maybe a little bit further to the north and also a little bit further to the south. Now, rainfall over the next 7 days, WPC's picked up on this a little bit, half to 3/4 of an inch right along the immediate coast, and just inland 3/4 of an inch to an inch, inch and a quarter, and even some inch and a half patches in New York State, western PA, and West Virginia, and that runs up and down the eastern seaboard. The southwest is still, it's just been months here where they've just not seen a drop of rain in many locations, and you got wet weather on the other side of that in the northwest with areas of 2 to 3 inches of rain being forecast. So we'll start with the NAM model here, and as far as today is concerned, I don't really see any issues. We'll have a good deal of sunshine. And then we have what is now turning out to be a weakening disturbance coming in for Saturday. And some models indicating some scattered showers, others like the NAM are not. So I'm just kind of, again, leaning away from the idea that there's going to be much of any activity on Saturday. And then as we move into Sunday, this is when a cold front and upper trough are going to be swinging out of the Great Lakes. And this is where I think we could see some showers and thunderstorms and the potential maybe for some severe weather from upstate New York. This is, by the way, on this particular shot right here, is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This is at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is at 8 o'clock. So perhaps it might be a shade fast, but I think the idea that there could be some showers and thunderstorms Sunday afternoon and evening is a good one to go with as far as the forecast is concerned. And then as we move into Monday, and the upper trough moves out, there might be some lingering showers early. I don't know about whether that's going to be the case or not. Oftentimes, you see these systems just sort of move away and weather conditions improve. We'll have to see if that upper trough does decide to linger. The GFS is also suggesting that maybe we'll see some lingering showers and storms from New York City on east early Monday morning, and then we see improving weather conditions later in the day. So I'm going to go with that for Monday. Tuesday, we have a weak disturbance dropping from the Great Lakes. Looks a lot weaker and going further south, so we'll probably have a mix of sun and clouds for Tuesday. Wednesday looks like a good day with an onshore wind with the high off the East Coast. And then we have another cold front with some showers and thunderstorms probably approaching late in the day on Thursday. So we're just kind of in a pattern here where everything is moving on a regular basis. Weather systems, as long as they keep moving along, we can't get into trouble and we can't get into gloom and doom scenarios where we stay cloudy and raw and damp for what seems like days on end. We don't see that in the forecast going forward. All right, it's a Friday. It means that there's no Joe and Joe weather show tonight, nor will there be one on Saturday, but we will be back Sunday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So enjoy your Friday and enjoy your weekend.